So hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to add a device on your Amazon Prime Video account. So first of all, we go to your browser, whether it's Google, Opera, or Microsoft browser. We click on the Prime Video and it will lead you to the homepage. Once you are in the homepage, you can see here the movies and everything. So we'll just go to the very top portion of your page and click on this profile icon right here. Then we will click on the options account and settings. So once account and settings, you will be redirected to this page. It will say your account, orders, players, permissions, subtitles, devices, language, watch history, hidden videos, and communications. So from there on, we will click on devices. Once we click on devices, we can see a lot of devices here registered. So this is all the devices that are registered or linked to this Amazon Prime Video account. So once you saw the link ones, just press register new device. So upon registering a new device, there will be a 6-digit alphabetical code, whether on your email, on your Prime Video, in your TV, or in your application. So once you see this 6-digit Prime Video account email or code in your phone or application, we just type it here. So once you've typed that 6-digit verification code from your Amazon Prime Video account, just press on register device. So that's how simple it is to add a device on your Amazon Prime Video account. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and I hope that it will stick for us to show you and teach you the next Amazon tutorials to come. Once again, thank you for watching.